ACU-Serve is the HME/DME industry's most trusted billing and collection service. Here's Jim Knight to tell you more about ACU-Serve's people, processes, and technology.
ACU-Serve has been in business for over 17 years. We have more than 80 employees and we collect more than $100 million in HME and infusion business. So why would you consider outsourcing now after many of you have had internal operations doing billing since the inception of your companies? Well, as you're all sitting here in this seminar, looking at ways to cut costs, become more efficient, the one thing you have to look at is determine whether billing is truly your core competency. As we talk to many providers, very few of them actually will say that billing is the reason why they're in business today. Billing is more of an extension of their company. So how does ACU-Serve outsource the billing better than you can do it internally? Well, we apply people, processes, and technology to your existing systems to produce a better result. Our technology that we've developed internally allows us to manage the claims from cradle to grave much easier than you can do it internally with any software system that you might have in the market. So I mentioned that we can actually log into your system. What does that mean? Well, we take over all the billing operations inside of the current software system that you have. Now, we're currently working with about 9 different software packages, so there may be a few out there that we're not currently working on. But we do have a proven system that we can log into your system, take it from the point of delivery, and make sure that those claims get billed out cleanly the first time. Well, we're looking at diagnosis codes, modifiers, making sure that those claims actually qualify, making sure they get transmitted correctly. We look at the ERLs, we manage the denials, we manage the AR, we post the payments. So by doing that, it allows you to free up some resources in other areas, and I'll talk about what you can do with those resources in a minute. So as we pull that data out of your system into our system, we've created the technology that allows us to manage those claims every single minute that they're out there on that AR. So we know when a claim has to be touched when it's over 30 days. We know when it has to be touched again after it didn't get paid in 30 to 60 more days. So we can actually attach the employees to those claims and get a personal DSO. So that allows us to manage our employees much differently than you're doing with yours, and that we can see how effective they are. So how many times have they touched a claim? How quickly are they getting those claims paid? We can do analysis to compare your business to another business and say, well, why are they getting the claims paid 21 days from Blue Cross Blue Shield versus you who's getting them paid in 60? So by having all that analysis and doing that type of volume, it allows us to produce better results than what you're currently capable of doing. The other thing to consider with outsourcing is that you're taking a fixed cost, which means that you're paying payroll every single week, whether you're getting paid or not. In our business model, we pay on a percentage. We charge you on a percentage of what you put in the bank. So if you're not getting paid, then we're not getting paid. As your reimbursements get cut, we're the ones taking the hit. So we have got to build a better mousetrap in order to become more efficient with the same amount of payroll that we're paying with less money coming in the door. That allows you to better predict and better manage your business as you go forward with the cuts that are facing you in 2013. So where do we go from this point forward? Well, we talked about the positioning of your staff. Many companies think that outsourcing is a problem because what am I going to do with the staff that I currently have? They're good people. I've had them for 15, 20 years. Well, best practices says that you should take your current billing staff and put them on the front end. And that allows you to do better business the first time from right out of the gate. So that means you're not going to deliver equipment that you really are not going to get paid for. You're doing proper insurance verification. You know the quality, the compliance and the standards that are required in order to ensure that that claim is never going to get recouped from an audit or some other type of pay or payback. So by doing that, we're creating a tighter business model that allows you to keep more of the money, make more of the money when you bill it out. So what can we do for you? Well, Tim and I put together a plan that is called a billing operation review. And what that consists of is that we would look over the last 6 months, trend out about 12 different metrics of your company, including cash, write-offs, adjustments, AR, rental and sales revenue, and we trend those out to see how effective you are currently doing with the AR that you're managing. And we use that and we compare it against what we're able to achieve. And we sit down and we have a meeting, we talk about areas of where you can improve or whether outsourcing would be the right idea for you.
To learn more about ACU-Serve and how to receive a free billing operations analysis, call us today at 800-887-8965 or email us at info@acuservecorp.com. We look forward to learning more about your business and helping you collect more faster.